Situation 17. How to take a message by phone. Good morning. Thank you for calling the Happy Kite Hotel. This is Susan from the reception department. How may I help you?
Hello, may I speak to Mr. Cameron Harmon, please?
Yes, sir. Wait a minute please, I need to check. I'm sorry, he is not in the hotel at the moment. Would you like to leave a message for him?
Yes, of course. Could you please tell Mr. Cameron that we would like to invite him to attend a meeting tomorrow morning from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. at our company's office?
Yes, sir. May I know your full name and your contact number, please?
I'm Kenton Harmon. Cameron can call me at 407-963-3918.
May I know your company name and your company address, please?
Happy Garden Company, 3548 McDonald Avenue, Orlando, Florida.
Would you like to leave any further messages for him, sir?
No, thanks.
Mr. Kenton, you'd like to invite Mr. Cameron to attend a meeting tomorrow morning from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. at the office of Happy Garden Company, 3548 McDonald Avenue, Orlando, Florida. When needed, Mr. Cameron can call you at the telephone number 407-963-3918. Is that right?
Exactly.
I have noted your message. As soon as Mr. Cameron comes back, I will deliver the message to him and tell him to get in touch with you. How may I help you more, sir?
I think that's enough, thank you.
Thank you for your call. We hope to welcome you at our hotel soon. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching, and happy learning.